Howdy folks, I'm Dustin with Warrior Equipment and the Concrete Protector. Today we're going to bring you a little bit of information about our 14-inch ant scrubber. Very versatile machine, great to clean up after your grinding prep, great to leave behind at your customer's place so they can clean up day-to-day messes as people come in and out of their building. A lot of different applications we can use this for. We've got our normal cleaning pads. You can put a little bit of soap in here and use it that way if you need to, no big deal. Nylon bristles, we have stiffer bristles for tougher cleaning jobs as well. We can also use sanding screens on the bottom of it. This is a 150 grit screen. We've got quite a few more higher and lower screens that you can go ahead and clean up, polish with, prep with. Past that, guys, we've got pads that go on the bottom of them well. We've got stripper pads, buffer pads, and polish pads. Very, very versatile piece of equipment. Great for smaller areas, hallways, workspaces, dental offices, doctor's offices, any type of offices you need to do and keep the floor cleaned up without spending an arm and leg for a ride-on scrubber.